Assalamu alaikum everyone. Alright, so welcome back and let's talk about SHIB right now. Okay, so SHIB, unfortunately, I've talked about Jasmine and you can watch the Jasmine video because it's pretty informative today. So watch that one on the channel. So I'm on auto draw and I was talking about Jasmine and how Jasmine has a downtrend, and when you have a downtrend you make continuation pattern, and continuation pattern means, actually, if you're very new, that whenever you have a trend like this moving down, you make a pattern that when you break that pattern, then you break out of it, and that means you're going to continue the same way you came from here. You're going to continue all the way down just the same way likewise. And by that one, SHIB, if I do remove all the drawings right now, I want to focus on the fact that you do have some sort of a pennant here. So this was a pennant that tried to break to the upside, but unfortunately, when it came down for the retest, it was really bad. So this is a little bit of manipulation, that it went to the downside and the prices were stuck in this box for a while on the daily time frame. It broke to the upside to liquidate people, but then again, when the retest happened, you fall down and now you're still down. The technical target of this continuation pattern takes you from there to there, and you're looking to break out here. So this is going to take you all the way down to 0.9, actually 967 is going to be your next technical target, and that actually is going to be trouble because it's going to come down and probably break the right shoulder of this very big, huge inverse head and shoulder. But this huge inverse head and shoulder technical target has already been met, and I told you in the previous videos when SHIB was trending, I actually made an update for you that SHIB is looking to actually break and go to that particular price target. So right now, at the moment, currently, what I do see for SHIB, unfortunately, is a drop down to this level, and that's going to be a 22.67% drop to the downside. Now when we reach there, we're going to see. Now, speaking of continuation pattern, I told you previously that SHIB has a bear flag on a monthly time frame, and that unfortunately is something that is going to be in play. But there's one more thing that I do see for SHIB again, and that is going to be that if this one ends up being another bear flag, which is another continuation pattern to go down, because the monthly hasn't closed yet and you're about to close the monthly and you're about to put in a bear flag, then you're looking for SHIB to actually have bigger drops, and that's gonna take SHIB down to 376 on a monthly time frame. Yes, it's gonna happen, and that's the logical part of it. We still have some few days to close the monthly time frame, like 4 or 5 days right now. So after 4 or 5 days, we're gonna see how the monthly closes, and then I'm going to confirm if this is a bear flag to go down. But it is something I want to keep bringing your attention, because Bitcoin has a bear flag, and we might be even looking at Bitcoin dropping down to $8,000, $9,000 as well. So be careful. If you want to watch the reason why Bitcoin is going to go down to $8,000 or something, you can watch the Bitcoin update, yesterday's video, and today I do have the latest update on the channel as well. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.